Hey, hey.
Quack, quack, kid.
What you got, bud?
I was going to stick my finger out there, Bonnie.
Uh-huh.
Miles said, no. Bite you.
Hey, Dad. No, I ain't gonna say that. Hey, geese.
Stay away from that goose.
Hey, Bobo. Come here, Bobo. Come here, Bobo.
They're going to bite your fingers off. Keep your fingers back.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, when they hiss at you.
All right, everybody show me your best dance moves. Come on, Liv. Mama.
Dance balls.
JJ, show me that one more time.
Dance for Daddy.
Livy, show me your moves. Miles, how you dance, buddy? Show me your dance.
Miles, show Daddy how you dance.
Miles, show me your dance moves.
Do this. Show your lips. Let me see your lips. Miles. Miles.
Show me your dance moves, baby.
I'm a crazy robot. I am a crazy robot. I'm a crazy robot.
Hey, put your butt back down. Oh, okay. What was that, Eli? What was that last one?
Show me the crazy robot.
Now.
That was pretty cool, man.
Whoa, Miles.
Yep.
Watch, he's going to bust a move again.
Oh, I got you babies in there.
JJ, show me the crazy robot.
I'm gonna feed these
Shake your booty.
Show me your moves.
Shake your booty.
Dad, I'll show you crazy robot move. I'll show you crazy robot move. I'm a crazy robot. I'm a crazy robot. I'm a crazy robot. I'm a crazy robot.
No, that ruins it. I'm not flashing you.
No, you need to fix it. I'm trying to tell you.
Miles, come here and feed the duck. Okay.
Be nice.
Hey, can I go over there? He was trying to bite me. Dad, can I go over there? Can we go over there?
We will.
Okay.